City Walk is definitely unique, and what Dubai Holding and Meraas has developed over time is something that's often rare in a city that has so rapidly grown and so rapidly developed. It is a planned city, but there's so much organic growth and organic development in City Walk that we can almost see it as a city within a city. The Verve would be a new way of looking at what City Walk is and what City Walk will become. The geometry of the towers are quite pure. It's a square shape. The facade treatments have prominent horizontal lines intersected by vertical GRC elements, creating a very regular form. So these cutouts are really breaking the form.
My specific role as an architectural designer was to design and develop the cutouts of the project, of the key design feature of the project. We specified each cutout to one element. So thereby it becomes, each cutout has its own theme, which is related to an amenity space.
Because our main tool in design at a concept stage is Rhino here in the office, and I think Grasshopper goes very well hand in hand. The emergence of tools such as Rhino inside Revit has allowed us to go from concept stage to schematic stage very fluidly.
The 3D visual aspect was definitely quite important. With Rhino and Grasshopper, it helped with creating the standardized panels.
We use tools such as genetic algorithms and Grasshopper to optimize the results and have the same look and feel.
The difference between us exploring this in-house using parametrics compared to completely relying on a facade engineer is the fact that we could involve the client into every single decision-making step of this process.
It became much more a clearer dialogue between the clients, knowing what their vision is, and working together with them to kind of develop their design and bringing it to reality.
The feedback from Meraas, actually, it was really valuable. They have a very good experience. They know what they need, and they are very professional in what they do.
The client representing what the end user would want, and Dubai Holding has a very strong eye to detail on what would make the building the best product for an end user, and they bring that to the table with our in-house team of parametric architectures, of designers, of creative thinkers to really bring up a product together. City Walk is almost like a city in itself. And when we start with this project, we almost had to ask the question, how do we add to this? The Verve is a gateway. It's a link between the super tall high-rises of downtown and the urban streetscape of City Walk. The Verve is unique because it has to communicate and collaborate with City Walk. It cannot be a tower that's completely removed from what City Walk is. I'm excited to see what City Walk will become because of Verve. I'm excited to see the future phases of City Walk and how we can really start contributing to this idea of city living that Dubai Holding and Meraas has developed over time.